Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and hey, today is Patch Tuesday. If you're on Windows 7, if you're on Windows 8.1 and on Windows 10, there's security updates today. So take the time to install that and make sure that they are properly and that your machine is updated, because it's very important. There's a lot of security stuff in here. So technically, the security side includes security updates for Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Windows itself, Microsoft Office and Office servers and services, Chakra Core, the Adobe Flash Player. This is almost a monthly thing now. .NET Framework, Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft SQL Server, and Visual Studio. All of these are getting security updates today. And each, subcategory, for example, if you look at Microsoft Windows, there's a lot of fixes within the core of Windows. It's not just one fix. So there's a lot of stuff happening. So make sure that you update your systems. We are on Patch Tuesday, of course, which is the second Tuesday of the month. A lot of people don't know that. People tell me sometimes, I don't know if I got the updates. Well, it's always the second Tuesday. So check your updates on the second Tuesday, see if it works, see if it's going well. As for, that, and hopefully it's, working okay. One of the things that is to know is that, of course, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 are, of course, all updated. If you're on Windows 10, the latest April 2018 version, your Windows version should be at 17134.228. And, of course, if you're on other versions, your Windows version will differ depending on what version of Windows. But Windows go back up to Windows 7, so, of course, Windows 7 are getting security updates still until January of 2020. So just check out your updates, make sure you install. On my Windows 10 machine, it took about, 15 minutes. I have one Windows 7 older machine. It took approximately 20-25 minutes. It was longer on a Windows 7 machine. But it doesn't mean it was bigger. It just means that they're older machines. So they, of course, do things a little slower. But check it out. And of course, if there's any problems or anything that shows up, I'll be posting other videos. It's a little early, so you don't see if people might have problems with updates sometimes. But hopefully it's going to go well for you. So head on to your Windows updates. Make sure your computer is secure and you stay up to date. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.